I'm waiting.
This is Impatient Tim.
I'm still waiting.
Okay, so where's your mic?
Right here.
Okay, so today we're
testing some
testing the
Roadie.
Rode Wireless Go 2.
Are you sure it's Rode?
Rode.
Not Roadie.
Correct. Those are the
Rode.
The roadies are the guys who use these things.
But how do you pronounce that O? That's not an O.
No, it's
I don't know what that is.
Hey, you're gonna piss off the Australians.
Oh.
You want to piss off a whole country?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because it's not New Zealand.
Where are we right now?
I don't know. Morningstar Mill.
Morningstar Mill.
We're outside and we're not running. Not that we run. I don't run.
Welcome to a new episode of Crotchety Old Men Running in the Forest with Friends.
Yeah.
Well, we don't really have any friends, so this is it.
It's just the two of us.
Cool.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
30-minute 10K. I mean, 30-minute 1K.
Yeah, that's better. Is that enough?
Yep.
Oh man, there's stairs. Wow, after all the years, the falls are still here.
How long was your longest race?
Long. You know, I did a couple mile races.
10 days, you mean?
Well, we finished in 9. So that was good. 505 kilometers. 314 miles.
Wow. That was you and Andrea?
Yeah. And 100 other people. Ish. There's lots of ish in that race.
What's the race called?
Oh, that's a good question. Last annual Vol State.
Our team.
Yeah, that was an interesting race.
And you did the...
It totally destroyed our feet.
And there was a crude and a cruise one, right?
Yes.
So they tell you to put the windsock on the microphone when you're in wind.
Oh.
We're always windy.
Yeah.
But
if there isn't natural wind, we can create our own.
Exactly. But today is a really windy day. It'll be interesting to see what the audience sounds like.
It will. Yeah, I've got to look over the edge again. It's been so long since we've been here.
Wow, that's silly.
Wow.
Go down there. You can walk, you can go down there. You don't have to do that.
What's that?
You might recognize
Hopefully I won't fall.
This footage of him going looking over a 5,000-foot cliff before.
Don't come here, it's slippery.
Okay. Why, because I'll knock you over?
Wow, that's pretty nice. We need to go to BC again and explore some more dangerous trails with grizzly bears.
Right, and you can carry the giant gimbal and the giant camera so we can get great footage.
Oh, I don't see why not. In the land of the giants.
Great.
Howdy. Oh, downhill is really nice.
Merrick got decimated though, eh?
Did it?
Yeah.
How bad was it?
The town was underwater, I think.
Wow. So would you ever consider doing a race like Vol State?
There's no altitude training, so.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of heat training though.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that.
No, I don't remember these
Yeah, that goes down to,
these paths being here.
man,
What?
you sure you're alright?
I'm old.
So we'll go down to the waterfall and then we'll go down and check those trails out.
No, I was just thinking once I go through the bush here, So you want to do a 400-kilometer race in August?
100-kilometer race of your own doing? You mean
400.
construction? I heard 100.
No, 400. Don't be silly. Who does a short race like 100 kilometers?
What 400?
We're calling it Ruin.
Oh, so you will be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're in for that, right?
Stay tuned for the greatest, the latest ultra in Ontario called Ruin, and where it's going to be. Don't say it's not outside Ontario. After I just said
No.
that.
It's in Ontario, and it's over towards London and Stratford.
Okay. There's no wilderness there.
Well, it's all roads.
That's not a trail race.
Who said trail? Ball State wasn't a trail race.
No.
The only wireless devices I have are like my headset at my desk.
This tree's not going to hold. You have to hold the tree.
We seem to be going slower. Yes?
It's the 11th of December. Don't know which to roll with.
I'd guess the 11th.
Your Tim's and shorts.
It's warm out. We seem to be going slightly slower through here than we used to.
I can speed it up. Nobody will be wiser.
But keep the voices at the same speed, so we don't sound like
You have
chipmunks.
separate audio.
Hmm. See, I just know I can't get hurt down here because there's no way you'd ever be able to get me out. I don't know if a firefighter's be strong enough to get me out.
I think
Yeah, maybe a high-power winch. Where the hell are we going?
I don't know, but that looks slippery. Okay, that's even worse.
This might be close to the end of our little trek here.
Can't get over that.
I don't know, I seem to be blocked by a big tree. There might be some fish in the creek.
GoPro and camera grip are pretty sweet. It'd be even sweeter if you had one.
Oh,
Maybe GoPro could send us a Hero 10, another Karma grip.
that's a good idea.
That's the one part of Cat Dog that nobody plans on is having to
Down
climb
trees.
over that.
I remember the stormy year when the trees were coming down. That was interesting. And that was my better year. So how much further are we going to go?
That's the end of the line. No, that's the middle of the line. So we go this way or that way?
I don't think either one of them looks very nice. Yeah, that's why I'm going to go this way. Well, I'm already halfway up there. So do we cross here?
No,
Water crossing?
that's private property over there.
It's raining. You don't expect me to run in the rain, do you?
Also be interesting to see how the audio is when you hear a water source as well.
Yep.
Or maybe I'll be too tired to get water with it.
Well, you know you've got to make it work.
Justify the expense of it.
Yeah.
And that's of course the road wants to go. I wanted to do, this is really loud, the water here. I wanted to do an episode of running in the forest with friends getting coffee. Be the first one to actually hit that genre. But you don't drink coffee, so you screwed me.
Yeah, it is all my fault.
Couldn't be fun.
Running in the forest with friends getting hot chocolate? That seems like a much better idea. But it has to be gourmet hot chocolate. Remember, ones are slippery?
No gimbal on earth is going to smooth that one out.
You sure?
Easiest to use.
If someone else is carrying it?
Oh, don't press any buttons.
There's buttons? Oh, what about this one? The red one?
Oh, wouldn't that be funny if it's not even recording right now?
How do you tell?
The red light flashing on the front.
It doesn't seem to be gimbaling so well. You're kind of shaky. Wayne decided to go under. Yeah, little people. But I don't think I can go over this log because there's nowhere to go over to. Oh, that's a good idea. Hey, just don't forget, don't press any buttons. It looks like we're not the first ones here.
No. To get it over this, you got to go up and around. So we can call it a day if you want and go the other way.
I think we should go the other way. But
this is a guy who went up Frosty Mountain with I'm too afraid to go up, and he won't even go up there.
Yeah, but this looks really scary.
Okay. And it's muddy, and we're old, and we're lazy.
Very old.
Yeah. Right, so this is really beautiful, blah, blah, blah. Let's get out of here.
Which way are we going? That way?
No.
Yes, that's not fair. Oh, almost fell. But my shoes are getting dirty. Oh, how am I going to go this time? I guess I'm going down this way. So you just put the camera on me to see if I fall?
Yep.
You missed one.
So this kind of terrain forces the person into dynamic stretching involuntarily.
Yeah, see, that's why I didn't need to stretch ahead of time.
It all comes through dynamic stretching.
Exactly. That I knew that. It's much more fun than that static stuff.
Just a boy on a hilltop, counting sheep to pass the time. Found himself in a quandary, face to face with a lion. Just a boy in a pasture, working in the mountain air. Got more than he bargained when he came upon a bear. When the fight became impending, oh, he knew to stand his ground. He could gaze upon his history, oh, see the victory in the ground. Every stone of his remembrance would let the record show. Just a boy with conviction is no match for a fool. Just a boy stronger than a sling. But he knew he was mighty when that giant came on the scene. When the fight became impending, well, he knew to stand his ground. He could gaze upon his history, see the victory in the ground. Every stone of his remembrance will let the record